So hi, it's me Hanani again, and now I would like to continue to my previous video, which is explanation about the HTML, CSS and JavaScript for the customer page. But now I'm about to explain all of that through this video for the staff page. For the customer sign up page, we will use the same CSS style as login customer and staff CSS style. Let's start with the login for the staff. As you can see, the green pop-up that appear at the top of the page. Same as customer after they successfully log in into their account. As you can see, the green pop-up that appear at the top of the page, same as customer after they successfully log in into their account. These pop-up are using JavaScript. I already explained during the previous video. Styling in staff pages are still same as the customer pages. What's different here is the staff page have a part where you can mix instantly search as you type. This part is actually created using PHP, but for the design, of course we use HTML and CSS form to do that. I'll show you the staff page first. In this page, we have the list of the customer that already registered and ordered to the services at the left side. The lists are shown inside the table and having two different styles of button inside the action column. Here's the code. I saved the file as customerlist.php. This file is not in the HTML file because it contains the PHP part, but we can still scripting the HTML and CSS inside the file. As you can see, I also use an external CSS named staffstyle.css, staffstyle1.css, and staffstyle2.css. For this staff homepage, I link the staffstyle.css as the external CSS and the internal part inside the script tag. For the searching part, I declare the selector as .main login input that have the selector of height as 20 pixel, padding as 15 pixel, font size as 14 pixel, the font color and the margin as 7 and 0 pixel, outline as 0 and 9, and also width as 15%. Then for the WebKit input selector describes the expected value of an input field. For the tip, the font would be set as quicksand. The default color of the placeholder text is this color. Font weight is lighter. Overflow is visible. Vertical align as top, and it will be displayed in the inline block. Important means that this is important. It will ignore all the subsequent rules before it is applied around selector. I set the border radius as 55%. For the input type selector, I define the transition as width is 0.4 second, of it is in and out, border radius as 80 pixel, and for the focus part, the width is set as 30%. And then this is for the green alert and footer selector. Next, for the JavaScript part, this type of search, I created a variable named modal and get the element by using document.getElement by ID and call the ID for close. When the user clicks everywhere outside the modal, it will close it. This function use window.onClick equals to the function of the event. If the event target is equal to modal, it will display the search bar as its style. Back to the page. For the left side, it will show the staff profile with their ID, also with the profile image. So, do you still remember that we used the style of left column and right column inside the CSS? Yes, what's different here is the width. As you click the order ID, this will link to a new page. This page will display the details of the customer profile and the details of their platform. This page file is saved as displaydetail.php and linked to the external style, which is stuffstyle1.css. The details is displayed by using the default table text, which contains the simple tr, tt, and th. It is used to inline CSS for each row and column styling. And then the button is for going back to the customer list page, which is staff homepage. At the bottom of the staff profile, this will show you the table of the number of customer and the number of order that this page are received. The hyperlink of View More will bring you to the page of the second navigation bar, which is Report page. In the report page, the total orders, profit, and customers will be displayed as these three different cards and columns with a single column table inside. The calculations are already explained by Safwah, one of our group members inside the PHP video, part 3 video if I'm not mistaken. This file is saved as reportorder.php, which also use the external CSS name stuffstyle1.css and the external CSS for the footer part. As you can see, the three column is mentioned as the selector of card, but having a different width for each card. This will be displayed as the 3-column card with a different width, of course. Then at the bottom of the page, it displays table of the total of all customers after their order are set as done paid by the staff. This card is set as the width and then the selector hashtag list for the table style. So as the staff click the logout button, it will go to the home page for user and customer sign in. That's all from us at Adsthetics. Don't forget to click the like button and comments if you have anything to say. Thank you so much for having time with us. Have a nice day.